If you want to connect this reverse joint, the first thing is that you must see it clearly. When you slide down, your eyes have to be able to accurately see the joint head. If you can't see it and you're rushing to make the connection, where are you going to connect? You won't be able to find it, and in the end the joint won't come out right. When sliding down, you can enter from the middle and carry it to both sides, or slide down from one side and carry it across to the other side. Both ways are fine. If the joint isn't done well and both sides are lacking weld metal, what's the reason? It's because you didn't pause enough on both sides. The dwell time was too short. So you need to pause more on both sides. Maintain the correct red glow height. Whatever height you weld at, that's the height you must keep. Because the joint area is cooler when you're connecting, there will definitely be a lot of slag. What you need to do is stabilize the red glow. Weave to push the slag aside. A few gentle weaves, and it will clear up. If you just stay there without moving, it won't clean up. You must slide down and slowly, steadily weave it open. Don't weave too fast, but even if you slow down, you still have to weave. As long as you keep moving, it's fine. The main point is the height of the red glow. Everyone, take a good look. This is the key technique for a reverse joint connection. With this rhythm and effect, the key is to connect accurately and pause on both sides. You can't let both sides pull in completely, and you can't allow a height difference either. Those are different problems. After you finish the connection, you should see that both sides line up evenly, and the height is consistent on both sides. Subscribe Weldmaster for more information about welding. Thanks for watching.